Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. So this is the euro dollar. So here we see this high and this high being taken here, right? So this high and this high is being taken there. Then we go lower. We're taking out what? We're taking out sell side resting here. That is 2022 model, guys. Relative equal highs, bam, buy side, right? Take it. That's the 2022 model. Sell side is taken there with this candlestick here. And then this Fibonacci. As you can see, there's a gap there. So that's a volume imbalance right there. So we're gonna put that there. Also a volume imbalance down here, meaning this candlestick here and these two portion. The whole thing I'm measuring here represents the suspension block, a bearish suspension block, right? This one. So I'm measuring from there, as you can see there, and up to this candlestick there. That's the suspension block. So this after this candlestick broke sell side here, this one opened, went higher, didn't even reach half. Okay, put it properly. Okay, there we go. So there you can see that it did not reach half of the suspension block, right? 50% of the suspension block, right? That is telling us that it's weak, can't even get here. And it went there and closed there. And this candlestick went up, can't reach even here, close there. And the next one goes above, takes liquidity resting here, but goes above, can't even reach there, hits this octant level and closes below. What is it telling you? It's weak, right? All the bodies here are in the lower quadrant, meaning 0.25 and below, right? Everything is in here, in the lower quadrant of this whole suspension block here, bearish suspension block. So what is it telling us? That it's weak, right? This candlestick went up, can't even reach the inversion fair value gap here. As we see, this fair value gap is the one that was used before taking that, right? Or it was used to take that. Let me say that, right? There we go. So basically, we are very weak here, very, very weak. All of this information here, by remaining in the lower quadrant here, oh man, let me just do this because this gotta be here. You gotta hear this. All the candlesticks went up, right? These ones. After breaking sell side here, these candlesticks, one, two, three, four, they all tried to go up, but all of them, their bodies remain in the lower quadrant here, right? All these bodies are within the lower quadrant from 0.25 and going lower up to zero, right? All this is the only body actually in this range. Is the only body here. What is it telling you? It's weak. So since we can see that the body is weak, we can see that this low here is definitely a nice target for next week. This low there, right? Let's just do it on range. So this low and this low, this one there, and this one are relatively quite lows now, right? This one and this one. Okay, and going down, let's see. We see this week. Let's measure that. Let's measure that from there. I'm gonna I'm gonna go to put this and that, right? That's that. There we go. Since this is the case here, uh, let's go. Let's go. So this is a below this target that we're looking for next week. This one, we can definitely look out for this one. And if we close below here, below this one, we'll go for the next target will be this one here. Yes, so if we go lower, take sell side here and close below here, then we're probably more likely to take sell side resting here. And this is a very nice, actually, this fair value gap here, because it has only a wick. So we need sell side in here, in this area. So below this low here, how far can we go? We can go in here. As far as below this low, there, can go in there. So for now, we are bearish for next week on the euro dollar. And very bearish. So I'm thinking something like this we can get. If we close below here, definitely this low is the next target. Right? There we go. The euro dollar. So this is what? Sell side liquidity. So this is sell side. Right. And also here we have sell side. Right? Then below the sell side, below that, the market can definitely come in there, in here, below our nice target here, this target there. And then if we close below there, as I said, we're gonna anticipate this one. Then after this one, we'll see we get in there. Inversion there, as you can see, it's being used there, cutting through candlesticks there. There, it's being used there. So it's a premium array, it's gonna seek discount array, right? Since this is premium, what's discount arrays? There. All of these lows are discount arrays, right? Yeah. So that's that, guys. Let's see on the daily. How do we sit? Okay, that's the same thing on the daily. Just sitting this thing going lower from here. No more going up, going anywhere. Just go lower. Right? This inversion there is being used here. There in here is being used to push price lower. So we're gonna anticipate that this low here in black is taken. These are taken out. Everything here is just taken out. And then we're gonna see. Do we eventually get that in here? We want to see price in here. So on the daily, you can see that below this, there's sell side there, right? On the daily, the sell side there, right? So on the daily, on the daily, the sell side there. So those are the nice targets we're gonna be looking at for the week. The social trades, sell with care.